Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenna Morrow. I'm an interior designer and content creator in Washington, D.C. And on this YouTube channel, I share tips, advice, and everything in between to help you become designers of your own home. Today, we're talking about some of the most common interior design mistakes I see clients make in their homes and what you can do instead to enhance the look of your space. Hopefully by the end of this video, you know what to do to give your space an elevated look. So let's get into it. Number one, only using overhead lighting. Lighting can make or break a space. And one of the biggest mistakes I see is clients relying only on overhead lighting. That one ceiling light is not going to do your space any favors, I promise. Instead, you want to layer your lighting. Think of lighting in three categories. Ambient lighting, which is your general lighting. Task lighting, like reading lamps or lighting under the cabinets. And accent lighting, which adds warmth and depth. Think of lighting such as sconces. Adding floor lamps, table lamps, and sconces instantly makes your space feel welcoming and well designed. Number two, using only open storage and no combination of closed and open storage. Open shelving looks great in pictures, but in real life, it can end up looking like clutter central. You want to mix open and closed storage. One rule of thumb I always say to my clients is using 80-20. 20% of your storage is open and 80% is closed. Use open shelving for pretty pieces like vases, coffee table books, decorative objects. Then use closed storage for everything else. Think console cabinets, baskets, or even stylish storage boxes. These will hide the messier things and keep your space looking clean and clutter-free. Number three, painting just one random accent wall. Accent walls can work, don't get me wrong. But painting one wall in a room can actually make it feel flat and disconnected from the rest of the space. If you want to mix up the color, there are a few ways you can do it. One way is to paint the entire room one color and then add a little contrast by painting the ceiling a different color. You can also add contrast by adding wallpaper to the ceiling that has a little bit of color. And if you're really committed to having an accent wall, try using a textured wallpaper. Wallpaper and textured wall treatments like paneling or molding are also great ways to add interest without making the wall feel disconnected from the rest of the room. Number four, buying matching furniture sets. I get it, buying a matching furniture set seems like the easy choice, but it often makes a room feel flat and uninspired. Instead, you can try buying everything from the same store or the same manufacturer and mixing different colors and textures. Try mixing materials, finishes, and even little hints of different design styles, and that's gonna make the room feel well designed. If you have a matching set already, don't worry about it. Try swapping out a piece or two for something different. Like in your bedroom, change out the nightstands, or in your living room, change out the two accent chairs and maybe even the coffee table. Number five, hanging wall art too low or too high. This is the one that I see the most. You've probably walked into a room in someone's home and noticed the artwork just feels a little bit off. 9 times out of 10, that is because it's either too high on the wall or too low. The general rule is to hang artwork at eye level. If you want an exact number, you want to hang the center of the artwork 57 to 60 inches from the floor. Now this guidance works best if you have ceilings that are between 7 to 9 feet high. I'll do another video later that provides more detail about hanging artwork in different size spaces. Number six, using the wrong size area rug. You've probably heard about this before, so I won't go into much detail, but using an area rug that's too small can make the space feel smaller, and using one that's too big can actually overwhelm the room. So what's the solution? In your living room, your area rug should be large enough to fit the 2 front legs of your seating or to fit all 4 legs of your seating. In your dining room, the area rug should extend a minimum of 24 inches beyond the edge of your dining table to allow enough space for your dining room chairs to still be on the rug once they're pulled out. And the same rule applies in your bedroom. The rug should extend at least 18 to 24 inches past the edge of the bed, so it gives that nice cozy feel, but you also have something under your feet when you get out of the bed in the morning. Number seven, buying oversized furniture and thinking it will make your space feel bigger. I'm here to tell you now that it will not. Oversized furniture in a space can actually make it feel more crammed and not bright and airy and spacious like you probably want to achieve. Choose furniture that fits the scale of your space. If you have a smaller room, opt for furniture with exposed legs or glass elements to create the illusion of more space. You can also try to incorporate multifunctional pieces like storage ottomans. Pieces like this will help you maximize functionality without overwhelming the room. All right, y'all, and there you have it. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you like interior design, entrepreneurship, hosting, or organization content, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a future video when it goes live. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next video.